Hello all, welcome to Number Nut YouTube channel. In this channel, we will explore various techniques, tricks and concepts regarding objective arithmetic. In the playlist Work and Time, we are going to study various techniques to solve problems based on work and its completion time as well as number of persons required to finish the given work in given time. Suppose just assume you are a contractor and you want to construct a flyover or a bridge in a certain time. For this, you need to calculate the number of men required to finish the work according to the work efficiency. In these type of situations, we are going to use the techniques that we are going to learn in this Work and Time playlist. Before going to solve number of problems in this category, we have to study some relations between work, time and persons. In the first relation is work and the person. So work and the number of people are required for that work to complete, both are directly proportional. I mean, more number of people are working on a work, then more amount of work will be completed. And conversely also true. If more amount of work is there, then more amount of people are required. And when it comes to time and people or persons, it is inversely proportional, because if there are more number of people, then it takes very less amount of time to complete a work. And conversely also true. More amount of time is there, then we need only less amount of people, because less number of people can do that work in more time. And also when it comes to the third relation, work and time, these are directly proportional, because if there is more amount of time, then we can do more amount of work, right? And also conversely also true. For to do a lot of work, we need lot of time. Both are directly proportional. More work, more time, and more time, more work. And also I want to give you an important tip, because while solving these type of problem, especially work and time related problems, the amount of work done is always supposed to be equal to 1. It means the work done should be is equal to 1. We have to assume like this. Suppose if I use like 50% of work is done, 50% of work is done, then I have to consider like half of the work is done. It means W by 2. If I say like 25% of work is done, then 1 by 4th of the work is done. It means W by 4. So this is more important while solving any type of problem in this category. At the conclusion of this video on fundamentals of work and time, we have only just started to explore this important topic. Join me in the next video as we continue our journey to master the objective arithmetic. Until then, stay motivated and see you soon. And if you feel the content is more informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, Number Nut.